to review this earwax removable. This is a perfect ear cleaning with a camera. This green one is to Android cell phones, and they have other one to iPhones. So this is super easy to use and simple. This machine is very light, and it comes with 5 replaceable silicone heads like this. It's super simple to put here, and it's comfortable to use, and it has a little camera here. So with this we can see inside our ear, and this will help us cleaning it. So it comes with 5 replaceable heads, as you can see. You can change the heads here, and comes with these 8 pieces, this earwax cleaning. This will help to clean our ear too. The material is really good, it's strong and resistant, and comes with little brush too to help us cleaning this after using. This is the brush to clean, super simple, and this is the pieces to clean the ear. This is suitable for children or adults, and comes with 3 types of ear picks arcs. This is the one, and it has this one. It's a little different. So it's very small, but I think you can see here. This machine has a great quality of image, and to use this, just download the app and you will see your inside your ear through the app in your phone. So I'm going to use this and show you. So to use this is super simple. Just press here 3 seconds. Connect this here.